What if I told you your coffee could help you shed those extra pounds? Meet Java Burn, your new coffee sidekick. This nutritional supplement is designed to boost your metabolism and promote weight loss, all while you sip on your favorite brew. Java Burn is tasteless and dissolves instantly, making it an effortless addition to your morning ritual. Its proprietary blend includes super nutrients like chlorogenic acid, Camellia sinensis, and a powerful vitamin complex. These ingredients work together to accelerate metabolism, increase fat burning, and keep your energy levels soaring throughout the day. Plus, Java Burn is plant-based, non-GMO, soy-free, and dairy-free, so it fits right in with a healthy lifestyle. Just mix one packet with your morning coffee and let the magic happen. And the best part, Java Burn comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. Ready to supercharge your coffee and your health? Java Burn is waiting.